have to wait.
Yes, you will. That's not gonna
Won't happen twice. Alright, plan is drop skid steer here, go down and pick it up. Might do a little bit more skidding than steering. Go ahead and get the truck turned around facing the right way when we get out of here.
I got you guys. Well, all right. Thank you.
No problem.
Well, let's get us out of here before the sun comes up any farther. I got
Because, you know, I guess back then, they built them to last. They didn't just,
right.
you know, build them to break.
They weren't built for disposal.
No, they were not. Maybe we'll find our way back to doing that. I hope so too. Well, better don't give him a hand. Yep, take care. You too. There we go. Pick her up. Bring it back to the shop. See what we gotta do from there. I mean, you probably got a foot on either side overhanging. Yeah. Yeah. I was thinking it was pretty long.
We cut them angles off.
Yeah, might as well. They're not gonna use it.
This side ain't gonna help because the shaft's sticking out. Next thing's gonna be breaking them boards off of there.
Yeah. Let me see if you got something.
Probably nothing.
Probably not. The other side. Got her decently leveled out. Hopefully we're done here. Tie it down. Woo! I ain't going nowhere. One.
That one there is actually it looks like it's a squiggly thing that connects them. There's another hub like that on this side.
Yeah.
And then the squiggly thing just hooks. It's got bars that zigzag back and forth.
Meshes them together.
Yes.
Like zips them together.
Yes. If we got that off, we could probably drill and tap it for a flange. How long the bolts are for?
I don't know.
Both sides. That'd be handy. Yeah, that'd be really handy.
She's locked up. The guy said it had been bought 40 years ago and it's sat, so who knows how long it's really been in the weather. Got the pipe wrench on there, see if we can get it to move. Oh yeah. That's real good. Doesn't take anything at all. Good deal. Now that it spins, we're gonna go ahead and still take these bearings apart, pull the rotor out. What's that take? Oh, set screws?
Yep. Probably gonna have to heat them.
We're gonna take these collars off of here, see if we can split this bearing apart. Now that makes sense to me.
Dust seal, I guess. At least it's got grease in it. They might live. I'd say do the same thing with the other side. Get it that far, then we'll pick it up. Get that seal out of there. See what that's all about. That could probably be a little bit more of a booga. Definitely gooder than what it was. Okay, yeah, we'll probably have to put a lot of heat on that to get it off there.
Yeah.
I would concentrate on getting them set screws out. And bring the torch out here and just heat it up. Try beating it. Looks like somebody tried it once before, or did have it off once before. At first, but I mean, heat the shit out of it. Heat is your friend when it comes to running.
Well, camera quit on me. Basically what happened is we took this piece, heated the shit out of it, took set screws out of it, hammered it off of there. Go ahead and sand this down a little bit so we can pull this off easier. Got that shaft cleaned up. So we can't get this off of it. There she goes. Nice.
We'll just see what cleaning the grease out of it makes. Some rough spots in it. I don't think it's pitted. It don't feel pitted. It's just got some rough spots, which might just be dried grease. Let me get this piece loaded on the trailer and then I'll pick this up out of here and we'll set it on those stands. Let's see if I got a piece of pipe, 20 inch up there in the woods. Doubt it. And hammer with.
Hammer with brake clean.
Yep. Blow the crap out of it. Yes. 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 Let's try and get that pin out, which is probably next to impossible.
Probably next to impossible, yeah. I don't know, you might be able to wiggle it and pull it out of there.
I doubt
Put
it.
it on this side.
I was thinking just taking a torch and washing the tail and the head off of it and then trying to drive it out, but I bet you that ain't gonna come out very easily.
No, didn't even move at all.
Do we just run it like it is
Let's see what
until
it does.
we have to do something to it?
I'd say we just run it.
That's what I'm thinking.
We can, I mean, we know how, it's not that hard to take it apart.
No.
You
And,
know?
and if that's the case, we could do it in the machine. If
This is about what we're gonna do anyways, except we wouldn't make fixed hammers.
no, they would swing.
Yeah. So,
Which,
but we can try it while it's already set up with
Yeah,
just that and see
that's
how it
what
does.
I'm thinking. Maybe it'll knock some of the stuff loose in there.
Yeah, I think so. Well, that'll act like whatever, like sandpaper,
Yeah,
kind of in
we're
there.
gonna blast the
It'll-
shit out of it. Okay, so I think we're gonna do that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I got sandpaper belt. Let me show you. Throw it in there. So there's basically emery cloth. Tear you off a strip of it, and then you can just put it on that shaft
Better than throwing it away.
and make it kind of like a dryer.
Yeah.
Put a door on it. And if I got a bunch of old nasty rusty ass parts, I'm gonna put them in that drum. I'm gonna dump all them grinding wheels in it and just turn it and let the grinding wheels abrasively. And if we run for a while and it looks like they're wearing, we can pop the lid off of it and just put a dab of hard face on the very tip of it and go again.
Never used one of these before. Hooked up there and get your tube and siphon through. Feels good to see that. That's just temporary, right?
Yeah, we'll wash all that out whenever we. I just didn't want the surface rust on.